up with a Udemy certified course, that is Java Programming Masterclass for software developers. This is a Udemy certified course designed by Tim Baluka, which is a very famous instructor on Udemy. Personally, I have taken his courses on my own, and I will like to say you all that it is worth the price they ask for. So the overview, as I have already told you, the course name is Java Programming Masterclass for software developers, which means an absolute beginner can start and he will be proficient in Java by the end of the course. You will be able to learn Java in this course and become a computer programmer. You will be able to obtain valuable core Java skills and Java certification. The course price seems a little high, which is rupees 8,640, and obviously some discount will be provided to you through EduBard. What you will learn? You will be able to learn the core Java skills needed to apply for Java developer positions in just 14 hours. You will be able to sit and pass the Oracle Java certificate exam if you choose. You will be able to demonstrate your understanding of Java to future employers. You will be able to learn industry best practices in Java software development from a professional Java developer who has worked in the language for 18 years. So Tim Baluka sir has been working in this industry for more than 18 years. You'll be able to acquire essential Java basics for transitioning to the Spring Framework, Java EE, Android development and more. So Java is not just used for data structures and algorithms, it is a language which is used in the development terms also. And you will be able to obtain proficiency in Java 8 and 11. So Java 8 and Java 11 are the versions that you will be learning throughout this course. The requirements, so basically now we will be looking about the hardware requirements and the software requirements. All you need is a computer with either Windows, Mac or Linux or any other operating system, so that you can install the softwares in which you will be building your programs. A strong work ethic, willingness to work, dedication and all this. Nothing else, it's just you, your computer and your hunger to get started today. So you need to have a strong willing capacity. Who can participate? This course is perfect for absolute beginners with no previous coding experience to intermediates looking to sharpen their skills to the expert level. These looking to build creative and advanced Java apps for either personal use or high paying clients as a self-employed contractor. So as I have already told, Java is also used for development, so you will be able to develop some high standard apps. Those who love telling their own creative genius shine whilst getting paid handsome amounts to do so. So you will be able to develop a skill set which will help you to earn a fair amount of money too. Why would you choose to learn Java? The reality is that there is a lot of computer languages out there. Suppose Python, C++, Ruby. It's in the hundreds. Why would you choose the Java language? Yes, the question is very correct. The number one reason, is its popularity. As I have already told, like C++, it is a language which is very good to understand the concepts of programming, but Java is a language which will help you understand the basics as well as the advanced concepts, and you will be able to go towards the development side too. Java is either one or in the top 3 languages. Popularity means more companies and their staff are using it, so there are more career opportunities available for you if you are skilled in this language. The last thing you want to do is pick a language that is not in a mainstream use. Java came out in the 1990s and is still very popular today. The important points. These are the things you will be getting after you purchase the course. This is a 80 hours on demand video. You will be getting the course videos, 3 articles, 1 downloadable resources, 52 coding exercises so that you can brush up your skills very fast, full-time access, so you will be able to use this course throughout your life with the same account obviously, and you can have access on mobile and TV, and you can also log into as many devices as you can. And also you will be getting a certificate on completion, which is very important. This you can put up on your LinkedIn profile, or you can also mention this in your resume, so that the interviewer or anything whom you are presenting to will know that this person has this particular skill set. Okay, so I will just walk you through the actual Udemy website. So you can go to the description section and read all about the course. There are few general queries that everyone has before purchasing a course, and you will be able to go through all of them, like why would you learn to choose Java, what version. I have already given you a brief introduction about the course, but still if you want to know something in detail, you can just go through the official website and you can search for this course with the same name. As you can see, this is a bestseller course which has a rating of 4.6. So will this course give me more Java skills? Why should you take this course? What makes this course a bestseller? Also, if you want to know the curriculum that you will be following, see, you can find the complete curriculum here. ATR 24 minutes, as I already discussed. There are total 25 sections and 400 lectures, 401 lectures in all. So there are 15 more sections. You can just go through the insights one by one. So this was all. Thank you.